What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get coins in Royal Match. So, getting coins in Royal Match here is really easy, so let's just understand how we earn those. Now, you earn coins here passively by just playing the game. So whenever you complete a board or a match here, usually that rewards you coins. But if you're not aware yet, whenever you complete a board and you have moves left in your board, that also awards you additional coins. So meaning if you have moves left on your board, that is converted to coins and more coins for you. Now, that's the easiest and that's the default way for you to get coins. Now, if you want to get more coins, you can also buy coins via their shop. So if you click on the plus button next to the coins itself, as you can see, there are different offers here that you could get, and also like specific amounts here if you just want to buy specific amounts of coins here. Now, yeah, so this is the easiest method here is you can just buy coins from their shop. But you might be wondering what are other means of joining or getting coins here. So we actually found this article here directly from Royal Match Support. And according to them, you get coins by opening the area chest and also completing bonus levels as well and beating the normal, hard, and super hard levels. Now, as you progress the story or in the game, the levels are going to be a lot harder. So the harder the game or the harder the level here, the more coins you get out of it. And also, like what I said before, if you have remaining moves of the end of the level and you beat in the level already, you get more coins out of it. And you could also get coins from events like Propeller Madness, Team Battle, Team Treasure, and a lot more. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.